Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society Group of Institutions. This is Kameshwari, Department of Civil Engineering. My subject, Watershed Management. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 3, that is Water Harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? So today we are going to discuss about that is in Unit 3, Rainwater Harvesting. So rainwater harvesting is one of the most important and economic tools for water conservation at a time of rapid dwindling of freshwater resource. What is meant by rainwater harvesting means rainwater harvesting is one of the most important and economical tools for water conservation. So it is the method of collection, storing and conserve rainwater from rooftops of building for agricultural production, domestic purpose or livestock watering. The purposes are collecting, storing and conservation rainwater from rooftops of building for agricultural, domestic purpose and livestock watering. And classification of rainwater. What is classification of rainwater? Rainwater harvesting method is useful for collection and storing the rainwater from rooftops and land surface to provide water for agriculture, industries and domestic use and drinking purpose. One such a method is collect the maximum rainwater possible and store in a proper manner so as to avoid contamination from humans, animals or the environmental, prevent algal growth and different etc. So rainwater method mainly used for collecting conservation of rooftops from rainwater from rooftops, and also that can be used for domestic purpose, industrial purpose and different ways. And also we can minimize the prevent of algae growth in such a way that. And a second method could be collect rainwater from roof catchment system and land surface system, and direct to collect device through conveyance system or conduits. The collection device are cylindrical tanks or battery tanks, interconnected tanks, make of polythene. The water stored in these tanks may be used after the monsoon season. So collection, one of the collection and conservation of water from rooftops, and that can be used for drinking water and animal purpose and also human being purpose. And the second thing is that collected rainwater is stored in tanks that can be used for monsoon season. And also third method for storing water is collection of rainwater from rooftops and directly it into the ground to recharge wells. So one method is conservation, another one is rooftops to transfer to tanks, another one is directly into the ground to recharge wells, so that underground water table rises and the storage water can be utilized for various systems. So in this way, in third way, you can go for that way, that is increasing the water level and that can be used for various purposes. And What are the different ways of rainwater harvesting? One is surface runoff harvesting, another one is rooftops harvesting. And what is rainwater harvesting? So the rainwater harvesting is a technology used for collecting and storing rainwater from rooftops. Already can discussed, and that can be land surface or rock catchment using the techniques as jars and pots, as well as more complex techniques such as underground tanks. And also it can be accumulated and decomposition of rainwater for reuse on site rather than allow it to run off. And use of rainwater. So what are the different uses of rainwater? So recharge groundwater. So it can be connected through the into the recharge well, so groundwater table will be increased, and that water can be used for gardening purpose, and that can be used for livestock, and also that can be used for irrigation and domestic purpose. So the conservation rainwater from rooftops collection, and that can be we can go for three ways that can be transferred to either tanks or directly into the ground recharge well. So the advantage of a collection of rainwater is recharge groundwater table. So groundwater table will be increased, and also gardening purpose, that can be used, that storage water used for gardening purpose, livestock purpose, and then drinking and irrigation purposes. And need for rainwater harvesting. So already we know that the use of rainwater harvesting, the need of rainwater harvesting is to increase the recharge of groundwater in aquifers, and to conserve the surface water runoff during rains. In rainwater we can conserve water, and also to prevent surface soil erosion. Why? Because of from rooftops you can collect this water, so that water will be can use it for different ways, so that way percolation will be decreases, soil erosion will be decreases, to prevent the soil erosion, to encourage water conservation. So these are the needs of rainwater harvesting. And what are the advantages? So the advantages of rainwater harvesting is rainwater harvesting technologies are simple to install and operate. So this rainwater harvesting implement in our homes, that is very simple, and operation also easy, installation process also easy, and uh, local people can be easily trained to implement such technologies, and conduct materials are also readily available. So first of all, educate the people. What are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? Yeah, that will be we can explain to people. They can easily implement for such type of technology to improve the rainwater harvesting system. And the construction materials are also available very easily, that is not a difficult problem. And also running costs are also are almost negligible. Water collected from roof catchments usually is of acceptable quality for domestic purpose. So the rooftops water will be mainly acceptable for domestic purpose. So what are the advantages of rainwater harvesting? First of all, the technology will be, we can explain to people where we can develop in that areas, we can educate to people what are the advantages, what are the need for rainwater harvesting, what are the uses, and what are the drawbacks, we can explain and then motivate people. And then that technology will be developed in such a areas where rainfall will be more. So it can reduce the runoff process, increase the groundwater table, and can that mostly used for domestic purposes. and how we can harvest rainwater. So um, and before going to harvesting water, the objectives of rainwater harvesting is increase the richer groundwater to prevent the soil erosion and also encourage water conservation. And different ways of harvesting structures are surface runoff and rooftop rainwater harvesting. uh, First, we are going to discuss about surface water, surface runoff harvesting. And before going to briefly, once again, we can repeat the definition and uses. So the definition of rainwater harvesting is what is meant by what rainwater harvesting. So it is used. It is the one of the most important and economical tool for water conservation. So that water conserve water will be you can use it for drinking water, domestic purpose, and also livestock and animal purpose, gardening purpose. What are the different methods for storing rainwater? First one is that can be collected from rooftops, and the second method is that the collected water is directly transferred to underground tanks. Another third method is directly into the ground to recharge wells. So these are the three methods for conservation of rainwater. So most probably it can be used for domestic purposes. And what are the different types of rainwater harvesting are? The use of rainwater harvesting is the advantage is groundwater table will be increased, reduces the soil erosion, and also that can be used for drinking purpose, irrigation, animals, and livestock. So this is the main importance of rainwater harvesting. Thank you.